Alright, welcome to the Rock Island Farmstead. I'm Nick, and this is our chicken coop. It's inside of our sugar shack, and after this, Chip will walk outside and get a little panorama of the outside. So we got a little door here, they got the little entry, and you come on in here. And they got a little window out to the world. They got their little chicken coop exit door over there, which we're gonna put a solar powered, battery operated, one or the other automatic door in there. This is coming out. I'm gonna pull this out of here. We're gonna clean it all up because, you know, everybody says that the old chicken stuff is bad for you. This is our chicken coop door that goes to the outside, so the chickens will have the outside area, and then you'll walk out there and give them a little video of that. We gotta buzz the weeds down. So, there's their little door over here. These are the black caps. Ooh, they're on this side. Shout, Jim. Yep. So we have a little chicken area here. We come in here and buzz all this down, and we hang some new stuff for them. And then they'll get this area here, just right in between these elm trees. I think these are. We'll have a little outdoor area out here for them. There's a plug here for something. And then one of the things about buying an old place is, like, you just don't know what the hell they were thinking. You got a piece of corn, and let's see what these little chickens do with this stuff. Pencil. This is there. There we go. All right. The chicken's a little rainy day treat. Some sweet corn and lettuce from the neighbor's farm. Look at that, it came from the farm. You can have water in the river. Man.
Oh, we got one ready to go.
Yeah, ready to rock. There you go. Hey guys. Come on. There we go. All right, we saw this video where somebody took a pumpkin, they made a face on it, and they put their chickens. So we're gonna do that now. Here. Big mouth. Stretch it out. Here's the pumpkin. Got some teeth, and a thing, the eyes. Let's go take it in the chickens. See what they think. Here's the girls. Here's the girls. Barred rocks are pretty interesting. See?